Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are planning a trip to Switzerland or you are already here exploring the stunning Alps, charming cities or scenic lakes, you are going to love today's video. I am going to walk you through how to use the SBB Mobile App, the ultimate travel companion for navigating Switzerland's world-class public transport system. Whether you are hopping on trains, buses, trams or even boats, this app has you covered. So grab your phone and let's dive in. First things first, what is the SBB mobile app? SBB stands for Schweizerische Bundesbahnen, or in English it's Swiss Federal Railways. This free app available on iOS and Android is your one-stop shop for planning trips, buying tickets and staying updated on Switzerland's public transport network. It's used by over 3 million people every month, and trust me, it makes traveling in Switzerland a breeze. Whether you are a tourist or a local, this app is a must-have. Let's get started with how to set it up. Alright, let's get the app on your phone. Head to the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android and search for SBB Mobile. It's free to download, so hit that install button. Once it's downloaded, open the app. When you first open it, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface. You don't need to have an account to use the app, but I highly recommend creating a Swiss Pass account for smoother experience. This lets you save the tickets, link travel cards like Swiss half-fare card, and even request for refunds. Follow the prompt to set up your account. It's quick and only takes a couple of minutes. A pro tip: if you have a Swiss half-fare card or Swiss travel pass, you can add it to your account. Go to settings, then edit passengers and check the box for your travel card. This ensures you get discounted fares automatically when buying tickets. If you are a tourist without a Swiss pass, don't worry. You can still use the app as a guest to check timetables and buy tickets, but registering makes things like ticket storage and refunds way easier. Now that you have got the app set up, let's explore its key features. The SBB mobile app is like a Swiss army knife for public transport. It does so much. The main navigation bar at the bottom has 5 tabs: Plan, Trips, Easy Rides, Ticket and Travel Cards, and Shop and Services. Let's break them down. The Plan tab is where you will spend most of your time. Here you can search for trains, bus, tram or even boat connections across Switzerland. Just type in your starting point and the destination. You can use your current location by enabling GPS. For example, let's say I am going from Zurich to Lucerne. Enter the stations, pick your dates and time and hit search. The app shows you all the available connections, including departure times, platforms and any transfers. If you have to change trains, it will tell you exactly which platform and how much time you have. Swiss trains are super punctual, so even a 4 minutes transfer is doable. You can also see if there is a super saver tickets or saver day passes for cheaper fares. These are limited, so book early if you want a deal. Once you find your connection, tap buy tickets. It's literally 2 clicks and you are done. Your ticket shows up as a QR code which you will show to the conductor. Once you have planned or bought a trip, it's saved in the Trips tab. This is like your travel dashboard. It shows your departure, arrival times, platform numbers, train formations and even walking routes at the station. You will also get push notification for delays, platform changes or cancellations. Super handy to stay on top of the things. For example, if I am on my way to Lucerne and there is a delay, the app will notify me in real time. You can also save trips to your calendar or email them to your friends. Now let's talk about the Easy Ride, a game changer for spontaneous travelers. With Easy Rides, you check in, travel and check out, and the app automatically calculates the cheapest ticket for your journey. It works across the entire GA travel card network, including trains, buses and boats. Here is how it works. Open the Easy Ride tab, check in before boarding and check out when you reach your destination. The app uses GPS to track your route and charges you afterwards. But a word of caution, some users have reported issues with easy rides, resetting if your phone loses signal or battery. So check your status frequently to avoid issues. I would recommend sticking to the regular tickets for your first trip until you are comfortable with this app. The tickets and travel cards tab is where you will see all your purchased tickets and linked travel cards like the Swiss half fare card or GA travel cards. You can show your tickets QR code directly from here during the inspections. iPhone users can even add the tickets to Apple Wallet for quick access. If you have a half fare card, make sure it's linked to your Swiss Pass account to get discounted fares. Tickets are non-transferable, so you will need to show a valid ID like your passport or the half fare card itself during the checks. Okay. The shop and services tab is where you can buy regional tickets, day passes for bikes, or even check lost and found information. It's also got the links to emergency contacts like the SBB police, which is a great for peace of mind. Okay. Tips for using the SBB mobile app: enable GPS and notifications, book early for savings, double check your tickets, use offline features, contact support if needed. And that's it. You are now ready to navigate Switzerland like a pro with the SBB mobile app. This app has made my trip so much easier, from buying tickets in seconds to getting real-time updates on my trains. Whether you are exploring Zurich, Lucerne or Bern Express, this app is your ticket to stress-free travel. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next travel tips. Have you used the SBB mobile app before? Share your tips or questions in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and if you want more Switzerland travel videos, check out my other videos on my channel. Until next time, happy travels, and I'll see you on the rails.